Good morning, students. In our last class, when we were discussing numericals, there was a slight difficulty, slight problem in the halfway of the class, due to which we could not complete our discussion of the numericals. So I am just discussing those numericals. I told you that I will send you the video lecture of those. All these questions are from our assignments, means the assignment which I have given you, or from NCERT. This is the question number 9.11 of NCERT. You must be remembering this question says that all of you are having NCERT. A compound microscope is consisting of the objective lens of focal length 2 cm and an eyepiece of focal length 6.25 cm, separated by a distance of 15 cm. Separated by a distance of 15 cm. 15 cm. Okay. Then what happens? How far from the objective should the object be placed in order to obtain the final image at the least distance of distinct vision, that is 25 cm. That is the first part, and in the second part it should be at infinity, means the image should be formed at infinity. Let us first discuss we are discussing the first part. I have drawn here a rough diagram, not the complete ray diagram. You can see this is the objective having the focal length FO is equal to 2 cm. This is FE, focal length 6.25 cm. L in the distance between these two lenses. So if it is for the first adjustment, I say it is for the first adjustment, that is the adjustment for the clear vision. In case of the adjustment for the clear vision, what we can say, this is UO. In here UO, this is suppose A, here it is AB, okay, this is A1B1 and this is A2B2. So what will happen? This distance is VO here. This distance is VO and this distance is UE. Okay? We can very easily say this distance is UE according to that, and obviously this whole distance here to here, this whole distance is VE is equal to D. This is the situation. Then what to do? First, I will take for lens O. Let us take for lens O. 1 by VO minus 1 by UO is equal to 1 by F. What is 1 by VO? 1 by VO is, now see, in this I have to find out the value of, I have to find out the value of UO. So for the lens O it is, let us first use it for lens E. 1 by V minus 1 by UV is equal to 1 by F. 1 by V, now see, V is D, that is 25, okay, minus 25. 1 by minus 25 minus 1 by UE as it is equal to 1 by 6.25. This is the solution. Okay, that means what we can write, this is we are getting, that means 1 by UE is equal to 1 by minus 25 minus 1 by 6.25. Here see 1.6.25. If you solve this, then I think you will be getting is equal to minus 1 by 5, or you can say here this is UE is equal to minus 5 centimeter. Minus 5 centimeter means towards left side, because according to sign convention. So this we are getting. Now what is L? L is equal to, from figure, VO plus UE. Very clearly you can see VO plus UE. Then what is VO? Obviously we don't put the sign because we are taking only the main value. That is, sign is only showing that it is on the left side of the lens, right? So VO, let's see, VO is equal to L minus UV. L is how much? 15 minus U is 5, because again I am telling you mod we shall take, that is 10 centimeter. So now from here, this formula 1 by VO with sign convention, with sign you put just like the previous one. Previous one also we have put with sign, and I have told you before also, the thing, the physical parameter which is to be determined, its sign is not put. So 1 by VO is 1 by 10 minus 1 by UO, I don't know, we have to find out, that is equal to 1 by FO. How much is 1 by FO? 1 by FO is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Look, 1 by VO is this, so 1 by UO is equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 2. So you can find out the value of UO. I have calculated the value of UO and it comes out to be equal to minus 2.5 centimeter. That means on this side. So we have found out the distance. Now, it has been asked in the question, in both the cases you have to find out the magnification, magnifying power. Because you see at the end what is the magnifying power in each case. Okay? We will discuss it in the next one. Here we have found out it should be minus 2.5. Very clear? See, it is minus 2.5. Now, this is for the first case. Now you take it for the second one, the part B. Part B, the specifications are the same, but in the part B, what will be the change? Look, in the part B, some change will be there. In part B, this is alright, here it is alright. This is, you can do the revised figure, you can find out the revised figure, but what will happen? Here it is FE, alright, and what will happen? This will be formed at infinity. Final image will be formed at infinity, isn't it? The final image will be formed at infinity. It is the first image. Final image is formed at infinity. So here, final image is at infinity. Infinity. The final image is at infinity. Okay? So we can find out what we have to do in this case. L is equal to VO plus FE. So how much is VO? It is quite simple. Minus FE. That means 15 minus 6.25, which is equal to 8.75. So 1 by VO minus 1 by UO is equal to 1 by FO. 1 by VO. VO is positive. 1 by VO, 1 by 8.75 minus 1 by UO as it is equal to 1 by 2. Yes, 1 by 2. And if you solve it, I have solved it, its value comes out to be nearly minus 2.59 centimeter. This is the answer. Okay. This is the answer we are getting here. And see, magnifying power M. A case mein M is equal to how much? VO by UO into 1 plus D by FE. 1 plus D by FE. In the first case, A part के लिए मैग्निफिकेशन निकल जाएगा, साइन के साथ मैग्निफिकेशन निकालना होगा, साइन के साथ VO का वैल्यू तुम्हें पता है, यू नो द वैल्यू ऑफ VO. हियर पार्ट ए में VO का वैल्यू कितना होगा? 10. पार्ट ए में VO का वैल्यू हो जाएगा 10, UO का वैल्यू हो जाएगा minus 2.5. हियर 1 प्लस 25 बाई FE का वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगा? 6.25. ओके, और यहाँ से इसका आंसर आई हैव सॉल्व्ड इट. It is minus 20. Minus 20. Minus 20 का मतलब हुआ negative sign indicates that the final image is a inverted image. Okay. Similarly, I think in my notes you can get the magnifying power for the this normal adjustment B part के लिए क्या हो जाएगा, B part के लिए. If you want to find out this for the B part, how much it will be? VO by UO into D by F only, है ना. This is the value of it. यहाँ से निकाल लो D by Fe, VO UO सब निकला हुआ है, D by Fe, और इसको चेक कर लेना. It should be equal to minus 13.5. It's slightly a long question, lengthy numerical, but the solution will be like this. I hope you remember this question was being discussed at that time. The net could not support, that's why I have solved this whole thing. So this is the solution. Okay.